Okay, so we're going to start with why is Earth a habitable planet? What is habitability? The definition of habitable is the capable of being lived in, suitable for habitation. So, why is Earth considered a habitable planet? The answer to this is some of the features of planet Earth contribute to its habitability. This includes the presence of water, its distance from the sun, and a breathable atmosphere. So why can't other planets support life? So a smaller amount of metal makes the formation of planets much less likely under the solar nebula theory of planetary system formation. Any planets that did form around a metal poor star will probably be in low mass and thus cannot produce life. So factors that play into this. Temperature. Life is limited to a temperature range of minus 15 degrees to 115. In this range, liquid can still exist under certain conditions, but only Earth's surface is in this range. Water. Water has to be available at all costs. Life can go dormant between wet periods, but overall, water needs to be accessible. Earth's surface is the only planet that has water. However, Mars did once have surface water. The atmosphere. You have to have the right size to hold a significant sized atmosphere. It keeps the surface warm and protects from radiation. Earth and Venus are the only planets that have this. The last one is energy. You have to have a steady input of light so cells can run the chemical reactions needed for life. The inner planets get too much sunlight while the outer planets get too little. Conclusion. In conclusion, Earth is the only planet that is habitable. Earth fits all the requirements to produce life and carry life. However, scientists are finding new information about other planets, so maybe this will change in the future. Thank you.